I want to show you this really neat drawing technique, but it also counts as printmaking and a monoprint. So monoprint means one copy. So what I did is I took oil pastel and I colored in my whole piece of paper. And you can also do this with crayon too. The trick is you want to make sure you press hard so it is solid. Now for mine, what I did is I did it on half a paper and I'm just going to fold it in half. But you can do a whole sheet of paper and you can lay another piece of paper on top. I like the folding technique, that way it doesn't wiggle on me for some reason. But you can make multiple artworks using the same color, and I'll show you what I mean by that. What I'm going to do is when I fold it, I'm going to draw a picture on the side. Actually, I could draw it on either side, and you'll see what can happen with that. But I can draw a picture. I could also lay an artwork I already made on here and trace it. It is up to you. So I'm just going to draw something very simple, and I'm pressing hard, and that is the trick. If you don't press hard, it's not going to work. And you can add as much detail or as little detail as you want. Now the reason I am keeping it folded is because then I can open it up really easily and look, my drawing is now over here. And then I can close it back up again and I can add more things to it. This just kind of keeps all your paper in one spot. But by all means, you don't have to have it folded. And you can keep going and you can add more. The problem is you can't erase if you make a mistake. So that's why if you wanted to draw a picture ahead of time, you can lay it on top and just trace it. And look how cool that monoprint came out. Now the same thing holds true if you do it on the other side. So let's say I wanted to put a piece of paper on it, and I'm going to draw on the same edge that I colored. So it also holds true. So ready? Say I wanted to make a snowman. Just for now. It'll be a very colorful rainbow snowman because of how I did my oil pastel. That kind of is what makes it fun. Need my carrot nose. Let's put some snow. We want some hills of snow. Let's put some snowflakes. I'm going really fast, but that's okay. All right, and then if I pull it over, see how it transferred onto my other piece of paper? And you can do it quite a few times. So that is a drawing technique, but it's also a printmaking technique using oil pastel or crayon, and it's a transfer technique.